Hello. Okay, so I know the lighting might not be the most fabulous for my face, but like, I don't care because look at this view. Look at the plants. Look at the alligator cook. Look at, it's worth it. It's worth it. Okay, now let's do a fit check. So first, can you see my eyeliner? As you can see, nasty t-shirt. But what's really like, I don't know, can you see my shorts? I guess I could tilt it down. See my shorts? They have little Saturn and stars, rocket ships. There, you could see them. You could see them. Oh, hi, my name is Pauline and I do things. And today we are getting things done that I need to get done. And I'm utilizing it for a video. Normal behavior on my part. So it's gonna involve a lot of this. So I have a bunch of broken pottery, and today we're gonna be mending the majority of it. And the fun part that we're gonna do at the end that I've been really wanting to try, Kintsugi, or I think is how it's pronounced. I could be completely wrong. It's the Japanese art form of mending broken pottery. It's the Japanese art form of wow, I can't talk. I'm trying. It's the Japanese art form of mending broken pottery with gold. There, we got there, okay. You can do this with like literal molten gold, I think is how they actually do it. But we're gonna be gluing our stuff together, and then I actually have this gold paint, see it there, that we're gonna be doing that with just one of the things, not all of them. We're gonna be doing it with this plate that was my grandmother's. I think it'll look very pretty mended, honestly. I think it's gonna look really lovely. But first, we have lots of other things that we're gonna have to fix. One of them, I don't know if you guys noticed in like some of my cooking videos, above the microwave, we have lots of salt and pepper shakers, and we had a Minnie and Mickey one, and in the past video, there was only Minnie. That's because Minnie pushed Mickey off the edge. So we have to fix Mickey as best we can. He's probably in the most pieces compared to everything here. Yes, most definitely. My chair is squeaking. I swear I'm not farting. I also have one of my gibbets came off of my Crocs. I gotta fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna switch to a time lapse for the gluing part because you kind of have to hold the pieces together and wait for an eternity for them to, you know, glue together. And then I'm gonna have a lunch break while they dry, and then hopefully we can paint the plate. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna switch to time lapse mode so we can get through this. Look at us getting things done. Yay. Oh, you can really see my makeup now. Look at that. Look at the glow. The tippy tappies are junior, and the brrr sound is a boat going by. I had to give in and open a window. Okay, we're back. It's been about 2 hours now. My fingers fully feel like sandpaper. I don't know if you can tell. I'm so happy that I did the plate first because it is fully dry now, basically, which is awesome. And I did the rest of the stuff. And I will admit, your girl is tired. But here's the plate, all glued back together if I can. Ta-da! I'm keeping the tape on it while we paint. You know, if I press too hard, I don't want it to like fall off. We're gonna paint her now. How exciting is that? I think I'm just gonna paint the top. You know, but let's hop to it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, now I'm fully blinded by the sunlight. But you guys, it's done. Ooh, and I love how it turned out. I'm gonna try to show you guys. Look at it. I think it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow, when it's fully dry, like 100% for sure dry, I'll flip it over and paint the back, and I'll include like the full glamour shots of it right now. Ooh, gilded in gold fashion. But I honestly love how it looks, especially like this gold paint. It's acrylic, light body metallic acrylic in true gold. Like you can build up, like put it on kind of thick, so it actually looks like when they mend it with gold, like it looks 3D. But I'm so happy that they're done. I've been at this for 2 hours. I'm glad they're done. Don't know what to do about my fingers. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And it's such a nice thing to do with like a family heirloom type. We have other of this plates. This was at the bottom of the stack and that's why it ended up broken. But I'm like, I've always wanted to do this and it just seemed like the perfect piece to do it with. It looks so nice with it. I love how it turned out. Okay, well that concludes this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff, kind of like this, but not really, but kind of. And put on that notification bell if you feel like it. I post every Sunday at noon Eastern time though, like pretty regularly, although I was tempted this week to like not try to do a video, but we did it. We did it, you guys, we did it. I can't think of anything else. Oh, I know, you can follow me on TikTok at Pauline Makes TikToks. And you can follow me on Instagram at Pauline Does Things. Same thing, name is this channel. I hope to see you there, as well as right back here for more fun stuff. I think next week we're gonna try to make some fancy muffins because it's fall muffins. Well, I'm going to now carefully carry this over to safety and I will see you guys again soon. Bye. I don't even know where to begin with my fingers. You see that? Look at that. Look how crusty they are. What? Should I like soak them in hot water? Maybe if I soak them in hot water. I'm gonna go try that.